Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Scribblings of Life, which is a brand channel for my brand Steps Towards Crafting. I know I have not been posting a lot from a very long time, but today I am coming back with a beautiful scrapbook which I had made couple of months back. This is a yellow theme love scrapbook. Basically, the girl who ordered this, she wanted to send this to his long distance husband, and they were, I think, engaged and were about to get married or something like that. So before the marriage, his birthday was coming, hence she got this scrapbook made for him. So this first page is having a little letter sort of thing. Then the second page is a very beautiful zigzag threaded page where a lot of photographs can be put along with the messages. Coming to the next page, we have this uh, belly band where we have this flip flap sort of page with a lot of photos and messages. There is a big message for his birthday as well on this particular page. You know what? I am editing this video after such a long time that I really forgot how to edit videos. So there might be some hiccups, but please forgive me for that. The next page displays a pop-up page where like a card is there. When the card is opened, 4 photos popped up, and that card is also like acting as a pocket over here. Coming to next page, it is a simple flip flap page where there is photo of the couple. So this page accommodated 3-4 photographs. I have given this golden edges to all the pages to give them a little royal look. So yeah, this is having again a pocket page. I kept the layout simple yet very elegant. So let me ask everyone who is watching this video a question that have you ever given a scrapbook, handmade scrapbook to your loved ones? If yes, just let me know in the comments. Uh, like what is your preference? You want to make them yourself, or you would like to buy and get it customized from someone experienced? So I would love to know because I'm planning a lot of tutorials on the scrapbook making in the future, and I'm also open to make the customized scrapbooks. So you can visit my website www.stepstowardscrafting.com. Coming back to this scrapbook, so I created this very beautiful slider card here in this one, which is like completing a heart, and the flip through is over. This is how it looks. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Do follow us on Instagram and YouTube. Thank you. Bye bye.